Need to find your Wells Fargo account number? As of 2025, Wells Fargo provides several secure and convenient methods to access this important information. The easiest way is through the Wells Fargo mobile app. Simply log in, navigate to Accounts, select the specific account you need, and the account number will be displayed clearly on your screen. You can also find your account number on the online banking platform. Log in to wellsfargo.com, access the account summary page, and click on the desired account to view the full account details. For those who prefer traditional methods, your account number is printed on your physical checks. Look at the bottom of any check. The account number is the middle set of numbers between the routing number and check number. Your account number is also prominently displayed on bank statements. This information is available on both paper statements that are mailed to you and electronic statements accessible through the app or online banking. Remember to protect your information. Never share your account number through unsecured channels. Always verify website URLs to ensure you're on the official Wells Fargo site, and monitor your account activity regularly for your financial security. Wells Fargo prioritizes your account security through multiple layers of protection and provides several alternative methods to access your account information when digital options aren't available. Wells Fargo employs advanced biometric authentication methods, including fingerprint recognition, facial recognition, and voice recognition. These technologies provide an additional layer of security beyond traditional passwords. Multi-factor authentication combines multiple verification methods to ensure maximum security. This includes something you know like a password, something you have like your phone, and something you are through biometrics. Wells Fargo also provides real-time fraud monitoring to detect suspicious activity. If you're unable to access your account digitally, Wells Fargo offers 24/7 phone banking service. Simply call 1-800-869-3557 for automated account information or to speak with a live representative. Voice recognition and security verification are required for your protection. For in-person assistance, visit any Wells Fargo branch location with a valid government-issued photo identification. Branch representatives can provide immediate access to your account information and help update your contact details if needed. If you encounter access issues, Wells Fargo provides several troubleshooting options. For forgotten login credentials, use the Forgot Password feature on the app or website. If your account is locked or you suspect fraudulent activity, contact customer service immediately for assistance. Wells Fargo continuously invests in security improvements, including artificial intelligence-powered fraud detection systems, enhanced mobile app functionality, and faster authentication processes. These ongoing enhancements ensure your account information remains secure while improving your banking experience. Whether you choose digital access through the mobile app, phone banking, or in-person branch visits, Wells Fargo provides secure and convenient options to access your account information whenever you need it.